Hello everybody, welcome to study SolidWorks with online class. Today we study about how to design high snaps in SolidWorks. Yes, let's start.
Select extrude, click front plane and click polygon and draw polygon. Okay. Click cycle, draw a cycle and click OK. Enter dimension. Yeah. 12 mm. Polygon 18 mm. Click OK. Select skirt extrude. Okay. Select mid plane. Okay. Can add the parameter. Yeah. It is your option if you want uh, long or short. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Select elect and spiral. Click here. Select cycle and draw a cycle. Yeah. Click OK. Skirt extrude. Yes. Select height and pitch. Height. Enter height. 15 mm and pitch 1.75. Okay. Select reverse direction. Start angle 0.0 degree. Yeah. Click OK. Yeah. Select top plane. Okay. Click polygon. Parameter 3. Yes, draw polygon. Click OK. Enter dimension. Yes, distance from here to here. 10 mm. Click OK. Yes. Yeah, from this point to here. Yeah. 5.41 mm. Click OK. Mm. Click OK. And click OK. Skirt extrude. Click sweep cut. Yeah. And click here. You have got it. Yeah. And choose, yeah, to tie outline. Yeah. There are 3 options. Yeah. Click OK. Yeah. OK. Hide this helix and spiral one. Hide. Yeah. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Rotate to review. Click this surface. Sketch. Select cycle. Draw cycle. Enter radius. 8.5. Click OK. And on extrude cut. Yes. Click flip side to cut. And click on, yeah, thrust angle. (45.0 degree). Okay. Yes, click OK. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. We get like this. Yeah. Yeah. Select mirror. And select here. Select front plane. Yeah. Select on cut extrude to. click OK. Yeah, see that. Yeah, yeah, finish. If you want to change material, edit material, you can click here and select the material alloy steel. Yeah, apply, close. Yeah, you see that. Yeah, yeah, it is so cool. Rotate to view. Yeah, you can change another color. Yes, select on this and yes, select on organics and select on sky. Yes, like clothes. You can add another color. Yes, it is your option. Yeah, now finish for design a nut. Okay, thank you.